To configure WPO365 to use application permissions is fairly simple. I would go to the Integration Configuration page. I scroll down to the section for Application Access and I will check the box to use app-only tokens. As soon as I have checked the option to use app-only tokens, I have the possibility to enter manually an application ID that identifies the newly registered application and also to enter the application secret. However, it is also possible to reuse the app registration that I created to enable OpenID Connect based single sign-on. And if that is the case, I would simply check the box to use this existing app registration, and when I do, the application client ID and application secret are automatically populated. All that is left to do is to scroll to the bottom of the page and to save the configuration.